What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Osuke, aka Pretty Boy Honor, aka Mrs. Studio Pips, aka Honor 2 times. Call me Honor 2 times from now on, because we got funded twice, we got the payout twice, and I'll be showing you the model that helped me achieve those things. First and foremost, thank you, every single one of you. Even if you just watched, thank you so much. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. It's a beautiful thing to see. So thank you for all the likes, comments, subs, follows, all the support. It really means the world to me. Unfortunately, only 2% are subbed, so let's get the sub count up a bit, please. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and please tell me what you want to see next, or if you have some feedback, please do let me know. Thank you guys so much. I got so many DMs asking me, do I have a trading community? So I'll be making one. Check the link in my bio, and I will be also answering all the questions there instead of in DMs, because otherwise I just keep repeating myself. So the people that join in a bit later can read the old questions, because they probably have the same questions, you feel me? As you guys know, the proof is all on my Twitter. We don't cap around here. I will be explaining this trade right here in this video. And if this video gets enough likes, I'll throw in this trade as well for the next video. So guys, drop a like, comment, sub. Let's get straight into business. Let's go. So the model step by step, as simple as possible. I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible for you guys, because I know you guys have bright attention spans. But if you want to prosper, I suggest you watch till the end. So we need to have a higher time frame narrative / draw on liquidity. We need to know where price is heading. If you don't know where price is heading, we're just gambling basically. So if you're struggling with draw on liquidity, I suggest ICT 2022 Mentorship. So after we know our narrative, we scout for a rate in the opposing direction of our draw on liquidity. I want to see this rate happening on the M5 or the M3 during the London open kill zone or the New York kill zone. We can refer to this manipulation as the power of 3 or the AMD by ICT, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So this rate for me is the manipulation. After we see the rate, we wait for a displacement towards our draw on liquidity, leaving an obvious fair value gap and breaker, ideally on the M5 or the M3 as I just said. So after that, we just enter on a PD array of our liking. So this is the entry pattern right here, the unicorn by ICT. Check out ICT 2022 Mentorship if you want to go more in depth, but I will go through it quickly. Low, high, low, higher high, lower low. What makes this? A breaker. What makes this leg down? A displacement. We want to see a displacement, as I just said. How can we confirm the displacement? I want to see a beautiful fair value gap overlapping with the breaker. That's just go time for me. That's just money making time. So this is a bearish scenario. For the bullish scenario, we just reverse it. The narrative I'm looking for, but only for the day. When I'm talking about narrative, I mean like the price where it's heading to on the higher time frame, like the weekly, the monthly. But for the daily narrative, I'm looking for this beautiful AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. As you can see, I have noted the true day open here. What is the true day open? The true day open is midnight open New York time. So we're looking for a consolidation during Asia range. After the consolidation, we want to see a manipulation upwards. As I just said, AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. When we see the manipulation, we want to see it go towards a PD array. Why do we want that? Because we want to see price reverse at a key point. After we've seen price reverse and take out a high, we know it's go time, baby. We look at the breaker, entry, go, distribute. And then in between London open kill zone and New York kill zone, we also want to see it consolidate. So ideally, this consolidates right here in between these two kill zones, which is 2 hours long. And then it makes a fake Judas swing again, a fake manipulation leg, baiting all the longers. But we're smarter than that. We're waiting for our trigger to short it. So once price reaches a PD array, displaces, set our limits, and go time. Now it's time to see it in action. Pay attention. Grab some popcorn, because this is the sauce. Now, let's go. So what do we see here on the daily time frame on Euro USD? We see a beautiful displacement down. We see a fair value gap here. Price taps into this fair value gap, and simultaneously, price has a SMT with DXY. This tells me that there's smart money in play. And I won't go into further detail on this, but if you want to learn more, you can check out ICT's content. So what do we see here on the hourly time frame? We see the SMT between EU and DXY. This will be in my higher time frame PD array. We see price manipulate upwards above true day open aka midnight open, during London open kill zone, and we see that there's an hourly fair value gap created after price distributes down. So A, M, D. If we zoom in on the 5 minute, we can see during New York kill zone, the price manipulated into the hourly fair value gap. Now I want you to pause the video and mark out the entry pattern I just showed in this video. Bro, please do this. It will improve you way more than me just showing it to you. So if you paused it, you're a legend, but if you didn't, you still have one chance. So I'll be showing it right now. So as I explained, we want to see a low, high, low, higher high, lower low. We see a beautiful breaker, fair value gap, and a balanced price range. As you can see, the entry model looks exactly the same as this price action right here. And then you can set your limits or you can enter on the market structure shift. That's up to you and your personality. Let's see how it played out. Beautiful. Remember the gem I dropped in the other video? What do we target? Session liquidity. As you can see, I took all my profits at the London low. And this was truly beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this liquidity stuff is a gem. You guys better write this down. So what liquidity do we target? Session liquidity. So unfortunately, that was the end of the video. Unfortunately, boys, unfortunately. If you've enjoyed the video, drop a like, comment, sub, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord in the bio. Let's make a community of market milkers. And you guys already know I don't cap around here. I truly think that if you have what it takes, this model will turn you profitable. In my honest opinion, this model truly will turn you profitable. Because just look at what it did to me. I became a crazy market milker, bro. The craziest. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video gets enough likes, I will explain example number 2. That trade was crazy, to be honest. So y'all better like up. Y'all better like up, comment, subscribe, share. Peace. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Let's get it, man.